Hey nametags and welcome, this is Ash from HealMyTech, helping you go from newbie to techie. On this channel we do reviews, repairs and tutorials of tech, including sharing some entrepreneur tips like time management and earning extra income without gimmicks so you can unleash your true potential. I understand the frustration of looking for clear tutorials online, hence the birth of this channel HealMyTech, where I have learned to fix almost any tech, and I want to share these skills and knowledge with you. With these easy and simple to follow tutorials, my intention is to help you save money in the comfort of your own home and mostly using tools you already have, whether it's a computer device like a laptop, desktop, tablet or smartphone. I also teach you how to easily fix your own home appliance such as your vacuum cleaner, fridge, freezer, television and so much more. Any software that I use and recommend is usually open source, free and legal, as I don't condone piracy. For anything else that you may need, there are links and show notes in the description below and cards above, including video timestamps for your convenience. So go ahead and subscribe and enable the bell icon so you can be notified of all future uploads. Thank you so much for stopping by. This was Ash from HealMyTech, helping you go from newbie to techie. Until next time, peace out.